In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify API key. If you're keen to integrate your Shopify store with other applications or you're looking into developing a custom app for your store, getting your API key is an essential first step. Let's walk through this together, step by step, so you'll know exactly what to do. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that by visiting Shopify's official website. Once you're in, navigate to the left side menu and locate Apps. Click on it. This section is where you can see all your installed apps, and it's also where you'll create the new integration. Next, you'll see an option named Manage Private Apps at the bottom of the page. Although it might feel a bit tucked away, it's crucial because this is where you'll manage all the applications that require elevated access to your store's data. Click on Manage Private Apps to proceed to the next page. Keep in mind that dealing with API keys and private apps require a certain level of responsibility since you're granting access to important store data. Now, focus on the upper right-hand corner, where you'll see a button that says Create New Private App. When you click it, you'll be directed to a form page. You will need to give your app a name. This could be anything descriptive that helps you identify the purpose or function of the app, so feel free to be specific and concise. In addition to naming your app, you'll also input your contact information. Typically, you would put in your email address here. It's important because if there are any notifications or issues, Shopify will need a way to reach you swiftly. Following this, you'll see a section dedicated to API permissions. Here, you have the opportunity to define what specific areas of your store this app will have access to. Consider what your new integration or app will require. It might need access to certain parts like orders, products, or customers. Carefully set these permissions according to the needs of your app. Remember, granting more access than necessary can pose security risks, so be judicious. Once you've configured the permissions, move to the lower part of the page and you'll find the Save button. Hit that. At this point, Shopify will generate your API credentials, including the API key and password. These credentials are crucial for authentication and you'll need them to integrate or develop your app. Make sure to handle these credentials securely, store them in a safe place, and never share them with untrusted sources. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained your Shopify API key. You can now proceed with integrating your store with external applications or dive into app development with these credentials. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.